Pasta or pasta? Hi, my name is Doc Nika from JMT-TMJ Dental Clinic. What is tooth restoration and why it is vital for your oral health? Our teeth are composed of multiple layers: the hard, protective enamel, the underlying dentine, and the innermost pulp containing nerves and blood vessels. Over time, factors like decay, trauma, or wear can damage these structures, leading to pain, sensitivity, or even tooth loss. This is where tooth restoration comes into play. Tooth restoration refers to the various procedures used to repair or replace damaged tooth structures, restoring their function and appearance. Common restorative treatments include fillings, crowns, bridges, implants. Fillings, used to repair cavities by filling in decayed areas with materials like composite resin. Crowns, caps placed over a damaged tooth to restore its shape and strength. Bridges, prosthetics that replace one or more missing teeth by anchoring to adjacent tooth. Implants, artificial tooth roots surgically placed into the jawbone, topped with a replacement tooth. The primary purpose of tooth restoration is to restore normal function. Consulting with your dentist will help determine the most suitable restorative option based on your specific needs, ensuring a healthy, functional, and beautiful smile. Don't let dental issues compromise your quality of life. Schedule a consultation today to explore your tooth restoration options.